Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact and get in touch with the support team for the Cleo AI app. So let's get started right away. If you are trying to use the Cleo AI application, but you are running into some issues that you cannot solve yourself, then you will need to get in touch with the support team. You may find the support option inside the application as well, but sometimes the application doesn't run and you may not be able to access the support system. In this case, you will need to open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Then from your respective application store, tap on the search box and then search for Cleo AI. Once you enter the application page, you can scroll down and you will find the app support section. Tap on this and this will reveal the email address that you can use to contact the Cleo support team. You can tap on this email to directly open up your email application. Now you can just type in your subject and then explain your issue within your main section. Once you type in your email, you can simply tap on the send button and this will now send your email and your concern to the Cleo support team. Just wait for the response and you can follow the steps inside their response to solve your issue. You can also go into the Cleo app website to check out their FAQs, which may also have the answers to your question. So there you have it. That is how you can get in touch with the support team on the Cleo AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.